Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm going to explain about performance analytics platform metrics. So let's see our agenda. Okay. Uh, so our agenda is a metric definitions and metric instance. So what is metric definitions? What is metric instances? How these are calculated? Okay, and how we can build metric reports. Okay, so what is the relation? How can we build a relation between metric definitions, metric instances, and the incidents? And how we can create an automated indicators on using metric instances, okay, or metric definitions or metrics. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see in details. Okay, okay. Um, what is metric data? What is metric definition? So like what? For example, if I open incident, okay, I go to incidents, all incidents. So I want to know like what is the average time? Okay, average time of the assignment groups, okay, spent on each incident. Like for example, if I open this incident, okay, so there is an assignment group, okay, cab approval, okay, let's save, okay, let's save. So how many times it is reassigned, and each group, like for example, now I have added a cab approval, I removed it, okay, and I have added another group called analytics settings sub manager out of the box group, okay. So how much time, okay, the each group spent on the tickets, okay. That is what we need to calculate. That is called metrics. So in the related list, you should have a metrics, okay. Uh, so for this, okay, before adding that one, okay, we will go to metrics in the navigator, okay, metrics. So you see here metrics definitions. Okay. So here there is an already created on incident tables. There are a lot of things. Okay. So here assigned to duration, incident state duration is there, assignment group duration is there. Okay. Let's open this one. Okay. Let's open this one. So you see here this you can create a new metric definition also whenever it is required, because these are the out of the box metric definitions. Okay, if you have, okay, if your requirement is met with this out of the box, okay, if not, you can create a new metric definitions. Okay, so nothing, our number will automatically populate. So name is like we are this is assignment group. To see each incident in each assignment group, how much time it is spent on the each incident, okay, or something like that. Okay, and the table incident and assignment field is assignment group we are mapping. Okay, a type is field value duration. Okay, so here you have in the type of field value duration and script calculations. For example, you have a script calculation also. Okay, so if you open this one and see, this is script calculation. What is the name? Created to resolve duration. What is the created to resolve duration? How it is calculated? It is like how much time it is spent in the field assignment group. Okay, so that is by within the system itself it calculates. Okay, so there is no need of script. Here we need script because we don't know. We are measuring the difference between the create and um, uh, create and resolved. So if you see here in the script, it is calculating, and it is calculating. See, create a metric. Okay. So current dot incident state S. Okay, you will get if S is greater than 0.6, that means closed, resolved, closed. Okay. So create a metric. Okay, it will function create metric. In the create metric instance. Okay, definition and current. Okay, metric instance, it will create a new record. Okay, and then it will it's like created on start and end, and duration is the field. Okay, duration is the field in which we will add the difference between the start and end date. Start and end date. Okay, and the calculation is complete, true, and insert. So why we are creating this in a metric instance as a new record? Because whenever these conditions are met, okay, on the incident, for example, it is spent on some time, and now it is assigned to some other group called cab approval, and save it. So whenever it is met, then it will record in metric instance table. So you have instances. So if you see here, the incident is like, let me add updated. Okay, updated field here. Okay, so let's sort with J2A. So you see assignment incident 8. Okay, so you see that cab approval. Okay, so first 17 seconds spent, and then we assign to analytical settings for manager. Okay, 3 minutes it spent, and then we again back assign to cab approval, and then time is not, because it is not resolved yet. Okay, it is not resolved yet, or it is not closed yet. Okay, so that's how see, you can calculate um, the time. Okay, the time, how much spent it is. Okay, and now if I assign back to any other group. Okay, let's App Engine Studio users, save it in the metric instances. Refresh the list, and you can see it is calculated total. It is calculated cab approval, it is not two times. Okay, total it is calculated to 1 minute. Okay, before we used to have one more I mean sorry. Okay, so we have a cab approval 17 seconds and cab approval 1 minute. We don't know how much. So generally, like multiple times the incident will be assigned. So we don't know how much duration it is spent. Okay, so for that you can create one report so that you can see. Okay, so like duration or average time spent on the incident. Okay, this assignment group or average spent on the incident. For example, cab approval, how many incidents it is. Okay, so for now there are two incidents. So how much time incidents it is spent. Okay, something like that you can calculate. Okay. So for that you can create an report. Okay. So here you see here you have incident data. Okay. So assignment group cab approval. There is no this summary, but to involve in an like how much state, how many states, like in progress state. Okay, so the cab approval is spent how much time, or something like that you need to calculate, or something like that. So to get more detailed analysis, okay, we have one you need to combine this table like metrics, instance table, and incident. Okay, incident and metric definition. So these three tables to get an good definitions. Okay, good definitions. Okay, so like you have a database view, a database views. Okay, so to combine three or two or more tables, we will use database views. Okay, so metrics. Okay, let's see metrics or metric. Okay, so there is an incident metric table. Database view is already available. So you can see the incident metric instance and these all already, okay, already combined. So to know more about the database views, I have already created one video on the database views, how we will create. Okay, please refer it. Okay, yeah. So now go to reports, and reports view or run report. Okay, view or run report, create a report. Okay, create a report. Um, Assignment group, average duration. Okay, average duration. We are going to we have a table, or we have a table called incident underscore metric. Okay, select this table. Go to type. Okay, select anything. Okay, horizontal bar we will select. Next, configure. We are grouping by assignment group. Assignment group by it is value. Okay, group by value. Uh, and aggregation is average, our average, and average of which one? Duration. It is duration. Okay, use aggregation. Okay, and the next. Okay, so okay, style. Okay, okay, and here it is calculating everything. Okay, so we need only definition. Okay, only definition, assignment group definition, not all. Okay, this is main important here. Okay, run it, and you see here 0 seconds on this one, 25 seconds, like um this is 25 seconds, and this is like more than like 41 seconds, and this is spends like 3 minutes or 20 minutes or something. Okay, so this is assignment group average durations. Okay, so we are getting average durations. Okay, average duration this is. So cab approval is average is 41 seconds, and analytical settings managers is 3 minutes 34 seconds average, depending on all incidents. Okay, and this one is 0%. Okay, 0 seconds on average. Okay, so those are called average. Okay, so that is how you can create one report here. Okay, now um, why we use so you are getting the average, and what is the purpose of using an indicator source in our indicators for a metric metrics. Okay, why we use an indicators in metrics? So what is the purpose? Why we use indicators? The main reason is like you can apply breakdowns, you can use time series aggregations, you can set targets and thresholds. Okay, you can deep drive the analysis. Okay, so all these things you can do via indicators or something, so which cannot be done via normal reports. Let's see how we can create an automated indicator uh, for incident metrics. Okay, so let's go to automated indicators. Automated in or performance analytics. I think we have in here, and here in the automated indicators. Okay, so before creating an indicator, okay, you need to create an indicator source. Okay, so let's see, do we have any out of the box um, metric or something? Okay, metric results calculated. So no, it is surveys. Okay, so we don't have anything. So our goal first the understanding is what is our goal. Okay, how what we are going to calculate. Okay, just do not create simply. First understand the design this one. Okay, what is our goal? Okay, so our plan is calculate average duration of assignment groups. Okay, of resolved incidents. not on closed incidents. Okay, average duration of assignment groups of resolved incidents. Okay, so let's see. First, to create an indicator or to create a report in the analytical hub, what do we need to create? Indicator. We need to create an indicator, mm, indicator source. Source we need to create. Then indicator we need to create. Okay, and then we need to data collect. Okay, we need to data collect. Okay, then you need to build some visualization. Okay, visualizations in dashboards. Okay, so these things you need to do. Okay, to create the to use or to create some reports using performance analytics or something like that. Okay, so let's create an indicator source. Okay, let's go to indicators sources, indicator sources. Okay, so let's see, do we have any indicator source on assignment groups or something? Okay, out of the box. So facts table is a metric. No, we don't have any incident metric or something like that. Okay, so now let's create an new. Okay, new. Our is called metrics, incident metrics. What metrics? Incident metrics. Okay, of assignment group. Assignment group of resolved incidents. Resolved INC. Okay, let's do it. Daily frequency. Facts table is incident metric. Incident underscore metric. Okay, so here you need to define the condition, which definition you are using. Assignment group. Okay, assignment group and so resolved on today. Resolved incidents resolved on today. And so should be some extra conditions you can add. So I will add like a start of this one is more than, okay, is more than hours, 1 hours, or what we can do is start is okay. Start is more than 1 hour before. Okay, 1 hour before. 1 hour before and resolved. Okay, so something like this, and you can save it. So indicator source is created. Okay, so indicator source is created. Okay, and indicator we have to create using that indicator source. Okay, simple. So here we are calculating of what we are doing, average duration of assignment group of resolved incidents. Okay, let's add it here. And the direction of minimize or maximize. Okay, minimize. So average of, okay, so something like percentile. So our is average. Average of field of duration. Okay, so our field is duration. Mi duration. When value is null, 0. Okay, collect records. Additional conditions, we don't have any additional conditions. Access, publish on hub. Okay, other, nothing. Okay, forecasting, nothing. Static, nothing. No need to edit anything. Okay, just save it. Save it. So you created some report. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to create some job. Okay, and add it here. Okay, so for that jobs, what we need to do, go to jobs, data collector jobs, click on new. So what is this name? So let's select this name. Okay, and the relative 90 days ago and 0 till today relative end. Okay, and click on not daily, on demand. Okay, and save it. In the indicator list, click edit and select our indicator. Save. Save. Execute now. Okay, let's wait till the job is completed. So let's see how much time it is taking. So maybe it takes a little bit because we don't have much tickets, I think. As this is an demo instance, so that's the reason. So it will finish more than in less than a minute or 2 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, it's collected. Okay, so go to the indicator and go to show analytic hub. Okay, so average duration of incident groups is 0% today. Something we have only 0 groups, 0. Okay, because there are no incidents resolved. Okay, nothing, no incidents are resolved, so that's the reason. So let's resolve any incidents. Okay, resolved on today. Okay, save it. Save, and we found some other incidents also. Okay, so let's resolve this group also. This also resolved. Resolution to show something. Okay, so before again executing this one, what I will do is mm, resolved on today itself only, right? So I will change to 1 day ago on today's. Okay, and save it. Okay, so in the analytic hub, edit indicator, so we don't have breakdowns. So how we can add assignment group breakdown? Okay, so you can click on manage breakdown. Okay, manage breakdown, click on manage breakdown, assignment group. Okay, so this is unmapped to this metric table. So you are mapping now. Okay, so assignment group incident metric. Okay, now you need to select a field. Which field you will select? Assignment group is a value field. Okay, so if you go to incident term, okay, so you don't have a metric here, so or a metric instance. Okay, so you see here the assignment group and the assignment group, and in the metric instance, this assignment group is related to value field here. So this is important. Okay, on which field it is mapping value field. So that value field you need to add here value and submit. So now it is mapped. Okay, go back. Go back. Okay, so one breakdown is mapped, and now go to this one. Okay, now change to 90 days because we need to collect breakdowns also. Okay, so save it and click on execute now button. Okay, execute now. So let's see, it's collecting including breakdowns. Okay. Okay, so one warning is collected. Okay, we can identify later. Okay, and let's go to one show analytics hub. So it should be zero because there is very minimal percentage, right? So that's the reason, I think. In the assignment group, we can see what all the assignment groups having 0%, all these things. Okay. So the reason is here we are getting the 0%. We don't have a proper appropriate data in our instance, but this is the how we need to configure it. Okay. So how much score it is for every assignment group. Okay, so you can add a time series graph in breakdown series in dashboards or something else. Okay, so yeah, that's all for now. Okay, see you in the next class. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, bye bye.
Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn service now. Thank you very much for your time.